Okay, good morning guys. Um, Physics for engineers. Topic is oscillations and waves. So nila kita 13. You have a needle, a point of a needle in a sewing machine. Okay, moves in SHM, simple harmonic motion, along the x-axis. So with a frequency of 2.5 Hz. So din plot here along the x-axis and niya movement. So hanap na natin graph. Ano mo x-axis is an x-axis sa nimo itong y-axis. There, along x-axis sa nimo time. Okay? Sorry, ano mo time. Tapos ano mo x nga component sa nimo ito kahirayo pika nga nimo oscillating body. So, aditi Hawaii, which is dependent on time. Diba? Ito natin in equation. Naman. Your x is dependent on time. In equation. Anyway, hindi naman siguro siya problema. So, may dalagin natin na yung frequency. Consortan it mo one given. So, you have a given frequency. So, frequency is given, that is 2.5 Hertz is cycle per second. 2.5 Hertz. Another given is time is equal to 0 is position and velocity. So, may doon mo position and velocity x ganun v. So, asin ka at p. At p is equal to 0. May doon mo position yan v. So, x is your position. 1.1 yan, negative 15. 1.1 yan, negative 15 units. That would be centimeter and centimeter per second. So, this one is centimeter, this one is centimeter per second. Find the acceleration component of the needle. What is 0? Find the acceleration component. So we have to find the acceleration component. So usually in the acceleration, this is ax. So that is your acceleration with respect to x, oscillating malaya on the x-axis. Okay? So, yes. So, ax oscillating on the x-axis. So, we're going to solve this one. Actually, we have an x which is 1.1. So, the problem is km. So, I think this one would be simple. We have a frequency. So, basically, so, we can get the k over m. K over m. So, I think ito kailangan. Meaning, kailangan duha. Meaning, ax is k over m. So, ax is k all over m x. Negative. Tapos, mo frequency which is equal to the square root of km 1 over 2 pi. So, given man f, so we can get the k over m. Okay? So, that would be 2 pi f is equal to the square root of k all over m. So, therefore, i-square root natin ini, i-square. So, may daka k all over m which is equal to 2 pi f squared. Tapos, substitute na nga. So, therefore, we can have that acceleration component AX, which is negative 2 pi f squared. So I think that would be a negative value. Ang mula, diba? So that would be a negative 2 pi, tapos yung frequency nga. So di pa ngayon ni kailangan. Didit x. So ay x nga, hindi pa nga x man. K over n tapos x. So 2 pi f, that is 2.5 per second. So kung maging squared din unit din is squared. Adi is squared is squared. Diba? Tapos, magiging centimeters per second squared. Okay. So, multiply ako din 1.1 centimeter. So, magiging centimeters per second squared. So, that would be a negative 2 squared times pi squared times 2.5 squared times 1.1. So you have a pwede tayo meters per second, medyo dako man. So i-divide natin in 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So divide by 100. And that would give us negative 2.71. Unit now would be meters per second squared. Malaya na, Write equations giving the position, velocity, and acceleration components. So, position, ini. My time is equal to 0. Unknown, omega. So, kailangan ko nga doon i-solve amplitude nga nin phase shift ba? Amplitude position, velocity. Kadi. Ito lang ay.